Hi, I will be making a baby onesie cupcake tutorial. As you can see, I made my first one right here. It's my first time making these, and I thought these were adorable. So I decided to make a tutorial on how I did mine. So this is the box you will use, just a regular cupcake box you will use. And here are the gift box that I use for the baby onesie cupcake. I got the onesies, the glue dots, the fake cherries, the rubber bands I'll be using, the baby stocks that looks like cupcakes. And so what you're gonna do, you see how it looks inside. I'm just gonna close the box up a little bit right there. And you have two options when it comes to these gift boxes. You can either use the box that I use for the cupcake holder, or you can use that one that looks like pear shapes inside. So first, I'm going to show you how I start this project by making the first onesie. You want to fold it over one time on one side, and then you're going to fold it over again on the other side, and then you're going to smooth it out, and then you're going to fold it over, and then you're going to lift it up, and you're going to make sure you have that opening right there. And then you want to make sure everything is smooth on both ends. And then you're going to start from the bottom of the onesie and you're going to fold up. And then right after that, you're going to hold it and try to fold it across all the way down to the bottom of the onesie. So make sure everything is smooth as you're folding it over. So it'll make a nice size cupcake. And then once you get it all smoothed out towards the end as well, and make sure you hold it in a position right there, and then you have your cupcake. And then once you do that, the shape of the cupcake, rather, you're going to use a rubber band. You're going to put the rubber band in the middle of the onesie cupcake. Okay, and then make sure it's secure. Okay, so that's how it looks. Okay, and then once you do that, you want to get a glue dot. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to stick the glue dot. I'm going to stick the fake cherry, on top of the glue dot to peel it off easier instead of trying to take it off by itself and then adding going to the cherry. So now I'm going to put the cherry right there in the middle of the onesie cupcake. Okay. And try to press it down just a little bit. And then I'm going to get the sock, and I'm going to put the onesie inside of the sock. Okay, so once I have that in there, try to play with it a little bit and try to get that inside, the onesie inside the sock. And then I'm going to tuck the sock at the bottom of it. Okay. And then once that is done, after you're finished, you want to press it down just a little bit. It's not going to hurt to press it down. Press it down just a little bit. And then play with it at the top to make sure everything fits right and looks right. Like I said, it's my first time making it, so I think it came out pretty good. So here's the second one that I made. It's the other one because I'm gonna make 4 all together. So I'm gonna grab a cupcake holder. Now this is optional. You can either use a cupcake holder to put in there. So it's totally up to you if you want to use a cupcake holder or not. I decided not to use one. Like I said, you can either use this or you can use the box to put the cupcake holder in. I mean the onesie cupcake. So I'm going to show you how to make the box here. And then just place it inside of there like that. I also wanted to add that you can use a glue dot to place at the bottom of your cupcake holder so your cupcake onesie does not move around. Also, you can cut down on your cherry stem so when you close up your box, it won't stick up. Continue to watch so you can see the finished product. Thank you.